See, this GCSE question number paper, this paper number 2 question, right? This chapter links with what? This chapter links with crude oil, petrol, right? That is the C9 chapter, right? With what? Which chapter does it link with? It links with directly C13, right? The last chapter, the pollutants, right? Industrial pollutants, right? The pollutants. Always remember that any fossil fuels, right? Any fossil fuels. What are the fossil fuels we know? We have got coal, we have got uh, we have got um, we have got crude oil, right? We have got natural gas, right? Fossil fuels are containing sulfur as a impurity. Yes, sulfur is removed in the ultra modern days right now. What we're doing, right? But few sulfur is remaining, right? Isn't it? So why sulfur impurities are removed before petrol is burned, or any petrol or anything is burned, right? Diesel is burned. Why? Because when sulfur burns, right, it gives you sulfur dioxide or sulfur trioxide, right? The sulfur dioxide or sulfur trioxide mixes with rainwater, right? This gases is emitted when the petrol burns. So goes up the sky and mixes with the rainwater. When it mixes with the rainwater, what happens? You'll be seeing that it will be converted into what? Converted into H2SO4, right? H2SO4. This comes down as acid rain, right? So acid rain does what? Acid rain will be causing the degradation of the calcium carbonate marble structures, the buildings. It causes the degradation of the iron structures. That metal plus acid gives you salt and hydrogen, we learned. So all the metal structures, such as iron structures, we have got a railway line, the railway poles, right? The aluminum structures also, the train, right? The train, aluminum structures, right? So structural damage it does, right? Slowly and slowly. Finally, is acid, right? It will be also causing what? The unburned sulfur and the sulfur dioxide and H2SO4. This also can cause respiratory problem. So this is a very important question. Just on one go, I'm telling you that car engines or any truck engines or any internal combustion flight engines, all the internal combustion they does what? They combine nitrogen of air. Nitrogen is a very unreactive gas, right? It combines nitrogen into what? Nitrogen dioxide or nitrogen oxide, right? These two gases also, the question might come, the what why the internal combustion engines causes acid rain. One we explained, the sulfur gives you sulfur dioxide and mixes up with rainwater, gives you H2SO4, acid rain. Similarly, the nitrogen of the atmosphere, they give forcefully combined in hot car engines under high pressure and temperatures, right, with oxygen to give you nitrogen oxide. This goes up the atmosphere and mixes up with the rainwater, and this gives you what? This gives you HNO3, right? Nitric acid. This falls down as acid rain, and same thing happens. The calcium carbonate structures, the marble structure is actually getting degraded, the iron structure, the aluminum structure, and it also causes respiratory problem, right? So that's the thing we have to say.